You asked, how to divide 8503 by 4 using the long division method. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Bring down 3, making 23. 23 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 23 minus 20 equals 3. The remainder is 3. The final result is 2125, remainder 3.